Hello, dear students. Today we will discuss a new chapter, that is moving charge and magnetism. That is very important chapter, and here we will discuss mainly the effect of current due to which the magnetism is created. यहाँ पे हम मैग्नेटिक इफेक्ट्स को ज़्यादा डिस्कस करेंगे जिसकी वजह से मैग्नेटिज्म प्रोड्यूस होता है. तो देन इन दिस चैप्टर वी विल डिस्कस द एक्सपेरिमेंटल रिजल्ट्स in this part. Experimental results which is given by the Oersted. Second, the force acting on the charge in the magnetic field, or in the force acting on the current carrying conductor when it is placed in the uniform magnetic field. Different types of magnetic field, uniform and non-uniform magnetic field, its representation and basic things about the magnetic field. Now first of all, the Oersted give the experiment result. Number one is a stationary charge will produce only electric field, or you can say the rest charge produce only electric field. This is the first result of which is given by the Oersted. The stationary या rest charge will produce only electric field. E. The second result is moving charge will produce electric field as well as magnetic field. Moving charge will produce magnetic field, it is represented by B, and electric field. Here the velocity of the moving charge will be constant. The velocity of moving charge will be constant. And third result is accelerated charge. Its velocity either increasing or decreasing. It will produce electric field, magnetic field, or energy. That energy is known as electromagnetic energy, or in the form of waves, that is known as electromagnetic waves. The accelerated charge will produce electric field, magnetic field, and energy in the form of electromagnetic waves. Fourth and important result is any current carrying conductor. The conductor in which the current is flowing, any current carrying conductor will produce only magnetic field. Any current carrying conductor will produce only magnetic field. magnetic field. The reason behind it is that in this conductor the current flow due to moving electrons. In this conductor the current flow due to moving electrons. Here the positive charge will be there. यहाँ पे positive charge में होंगे. They will create electric field and moving charge will create electric field as well as magnetic field. Therefore the electric field produced by the positive ions and electric field produced by the moving electrons, they are equal in magnitude and cancel to each other. Only the magnetic field will be there. The next thing is we want to explain the properties of magnetic field. Fifth result is the magnetic field is as similar as electric field in the way that the electric field is a vector quantity or intensity of electric field is a vector quantity. In the same way magnetic field is also a vector quantity. Fifth, magnetic field B is scalar quantity. Scalar quantity like E, जैसे E में होता है. अब now come to the its unit of B Newton per ampere meter meter. Next Weber per meter square. Next Tesla. These are the units in ampere system. Clear? Ampere system. ये ampere system है. Now in CGS system its unit is Gauss. This is in CGS system. The relation between these units units में जो relation होता है that is 1 Newton per ampere meter is equal to 1 Weber per meter square is equal to 1 Tesla is equal to 10 to the power 4 Gauss. This is the relation between different units of the magnetic field. Now there are two types of magnetic field. One is uniform and another is non-uniform. Now come to the point 6. Uniform electric field, magnetic field. यूनिफॉर्म मैग्नेटिक फील्ड मतलब मीनिंग क्या होता है यूनिफॉर्म मैग्नेटिक फील्ड का? यूनिफॉर्म मैग्नेटिक फील्ड its meaning is, as its name is clear, by the name is clear, the magnetic field around the conductor or at any place in which the intensity of magnetic field is same all over the area, that is known as uniform magnetic field. That is represented by like this. This is uniform magnetic field. Uniform magnetic field, and that is also a uniform magnetic field. That is also a uniform magnetic field. but here the magnetic lines are perpendicular to the plane of paper inside it. Here the magnetic lines are coming out. It means the direction of magnetic field is inside the blackboard. Direction of magnetic field is inside the board, inside the paper, or you can say paper, perpendicular to it. Here the direction of magnetic field is outside. Direction of magnetic field is outward. Here, or you can say inward. That is outward. And perpendicular to paper. And perpendicular to paper. मतलब outward, बाहर की ओर. Here inside, and that is also represent uniform magnetic field which lie in the plane of the paper. This magnetic field which lie in the plane of paper. The intensity of magnetic field throughout this space will be same. Intensity of magnetic field throughout this space will be same. Magnetic field here will be same. This is the representation of uniform magnetic field. Now come to the non-uniform magnetic field. Its meaning is that the intensity of magnetic field is different at different places. Such type of electric magnetic field is known as non-uniform magnetic field. ये देखिए non-uniform magnetic field. Non-uniform magnetic field, that is represented like this. Here magnetic field will be more, here magnetic field will be less, because the यहाँ पर जो density है वो कम है. The density of magnetic field is very less. Here the density of is more in comparison to there. So here the magnetic field at this point BC is smaller than BA. यहाँ का magnetic field ज़्यादा होगा, यहाँ का magnetic field कम होगा. That is the non-uniform magnetic field. Now come to the important things. A state conductor is placed in uniform magnetic field. What will be the force? What will be the force on it? A state current carrying conductor carrying conductor placed in uniform magnetic field. Magnetic field. Magnetic field. This is the state conductor. ये मैग्नेटिक फील्ड है, यूनिफॉर्म मैग्नेटिक, एंड कंडक्टर इज लाइक दिस. इसमें करंट ये फ्लो हो रही है आई. दिस इज द थीटा एंड दिस इज द फोर्स. बी इज द मैग्नेटिक फील्ड. L length of the conductor. Theta angle between conductor and magnetic field. And I is the current flowing in it. By experiment, it is found that the force acting on it depends on these factors. Number one, by experiment, it is directly proportional to the current flowing in it, means F is proportional to I. Second, it is directly proportional to magnetic field. F is. Third, it is directly proportional to length of the conductor, L. Fourth, F is directly proportional sine of angle of theta, F sine theta. When we combine these results, we get F is directly proportional to ILB sin theta, or F is equal to KILB sin theta, where K is proportional constant and its value is 1. Then F is equal to ILB sin theta. In vector form, that can be represented as F is equal to IL cross B, like this vector form. Now come to its special case. इसके विशेष स्थिति में देखिए, when theta is 0 means conductor is parallel to magnetic field. Like this. First case, when theta is equal to 0. ये मैग्नेटिक फील्ड है और कंडक्टर यूँ रखा हुआ. इसमें करंट यूँ फ्लो हो रही, और ये भी हो सकता है लाइक दिस ऑल्सो, here is this. Here theta is 0, here theta is 180. We know sin 180, sin 0 is equal to 0 and sin 180 is also equal to 0. Therefore f is equal to ILB sin 0 or 180 कुछ भी हो, then f will be 0. इसका मतलब ये हुआ कि if the conductor is parallel to the magnetic field, then force acting on it will be 0. Next, second case is when theta is equal to 90, then you know sin 90 is equal to 1 and conductor is like this, or theta is equal to 270. Then sin f is equal to ILB sin 90, then f is equal to ILB. The direction can be find by this. ये हमारा मैग्नेटिक फील्ड है, ये डायरेक्शन ऑफ फ्लो ऑफ करंट है. देन मैग्नेटिक फील्ड विल बी परपेंडिकुलर ऑफ दिस in this direction, magnetic field, or you can find by cross screw tool. So this is the our results by which we find the magnetic field. Now in our next video we will discuss about the motion of charge particle in uniform electric field perpendicularly. जैसे मान लीजिए मैग्नेटिक फील्ड इस टाइप से है और then we will prove that its motion will be a parabolic. Now we will discuss the motion of charged particle in uniform magnetic field and we will discuss its different case. Thank you.